Hi, welcome to Rago. Today it is not about electric scooter. Today it's about this HOLLYLAND Lark MAX that I use to record my video. And one of problem that you may get is the transmitter doesn't connect to the receiver. And in this case, the light of transmitter may be just keep blinking blue. So to solve this problem, you can use one of the two methods that I'm going to use. The first method is just to make sure the transmitter is on and the receiver is on. Then you put it back into the charging case, and the charging case will do the job for you. It will get reconnected to each other. This is the first method. But if this doesn't work for you, or if you don't have a charging case, you can do it manually. How you can do it manually? You need to go to the setting on the receiver. You push the button, then it's gonna show you the menu, and then you turn the button until you see setting. When you push, you're gonna see pairing. If you don't see pairing, just look for pairing by turning the button. Then you push again. By choosing pairing, you're gonna ask transmitter in pairing mode. Make sure the yes, the one that is lighting, then you push, and then you're gonna see pairing. Now you come to your transmitter. On the transmitter, you can see the light is blinking slowly, blink, and the color is blue. So to pair, you need to look on side. You're going to see this button here. It's the noise cancellation button that is right here. So you're gonna press this button, and you're gonna notice when you press this button, the light gonna blink fast, and then it's going to stop. It's already connected to your receiver. So this is how you can solve this problem. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you at the next video. Thank you and be blessed.